y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and this is day 8 of my Advent Calendar series. I have the 25 days of what does it say? 25 days of beauty from Macy's, and I got this from Laura the Bargain Hunter and Cece's Trial Size Life, and they'll be in the description for you to find them if you'd like to go see them. I hope that you will. I'm just excited about this because it's been a great calendar so far. I'm really happy with it. So let's open it and see what. Here's day 8 is right on top. Okay, you're supposed to push this in. I'm challenged with opening things, y'all. So push it in and then grab that and pull it out. Okay. Ooh, there's been some nice things in this calendar, y'all. Really nice things. This is Bare Minerals, and I love Bare Minerals. I do use their products. This is the original Mineral Veil, the loose setting powder. And how this is, it says original translucent. So it's supposed to work on everybody's skin, and it works for me. And I have had this size before. It's great for traveling. So you can see there's quite a bit of product in there. It's sealed here, and then you pull that off, and it's just after you put your base powder on, then you put this on to finish it, so to speak. So it's the finishing powder, and that is very nice. I'm so excited about that. I love it. Smudge and Blue were right here for their calendar, but not sure where they are at now. Blue, Smudge. Well, let's open the chocolate. Is right over here. It's easy to put right there for me. We're looking for 8. This is the Moser Roth from Aldi. It's fine chocolates. And here's 8 is way over here by this elf. And let's see, whoops. Well, some of them are not easy to open. Oh, this is pretty. This is a square. And that one is a mousse with nougat chocolate. And I haven't been eating them, y'all, because I'm filming. So anyway, but I sort of should do away with the chocolate calendar. I think I might. It's just sort of in our way. And then we have the Merry and Bright collection for the cats. Now, if I could get the cats over here, it would be nice. If you're following it all along with the treasure hunt, then now is the time to pay attention to that. We have it for today. We have the Color Pop. These are Chica falsies. Oops. Well, they fell right out. They're packaged so nicely. It fell right out of there. All right, hang on. Look at how pretty that is. They're beautiful, and this in this nice magnet box. Very nice. And along with that, I have Dew of the Gods eye masks, some of my favorites. And we have the Pure Derm Wrinkle Reducer Gel Patches and Collagen. And I have a night mask. Well, now this eye mask is for, you don't have to use it at night, but it helps me to fall asleep. And this is in chamomile. And you have your eyes closed. You can just use it to rest your eyes, or if you have a headache, great for that too. So that is for that. And then we have here day 8. Smudge, are you nearby? Here's day 8 down by the kitty. Let's see, that one's just looks like a square. I don't see any. Oh yeah, here's a little thing. You can poke it in and then pull it out. Whoops. Oh, is this cute? Smudge, look at that. It's a little reindeer. Rudolph. It's not Rudolph, though. He doesn't have a red nose. But that is adorable. I'm sorry, I don't know where the boys are. If I find them, I'll add it to the end here. Y'all, thanks for stopping by, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.